Hello, my viral Soci Masters friends. It's Alicia Little. Hey, events, and we've sent an email out about this before, but events are something that you really still need to be doing and paying attention to. So if you're not taking advantage of the power of Facebook events, you really should be. So let me just show you something. This is a Facebook event that Facebook actually did themselves. And what they did was that they set up a Facebook event called Community Connect, Navigating COVID-19 Online Event. So this is what the event was called. And then I'm just trying to see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can see it. And then what they did inside of the event was that they said it was going to be a series of workshops. And they actually went live. You can see all these, the live video has ended. They actually went live inside of the event. So everything that they did, they promoted the event using Facebook events, and then they went live in the event. So you can see that there are 5 parts. So I got the notifications every time they were going live. So I came and I watched it, and then they posted notifications, about the workshops. You can see people commented and shared it. And then they went live. This was their Q&A session, and people were watching it. So I just wanted to, and of course I said I was interested, and other people saw it and asked me about it, and I'm like, just sign up. So Facebook events, still a way to make sure that we're connecting, and they're really important to do for business. If your restaurant has delivery, a restaurant that you're working with, for example, has delivery, create an event around it, right? Create an event around it. Anyway, I hope that this is helpful, and I just want to remind you that events still are very important. So follow the training on how to set up events effectively, and look at how you can set up events either for your business or your clients' businesses to help them keep active, front of mind, and there's a lot of different things that they could do with an event. So thanks. Bye.